A terrifying moment unfolded during the Philadelphia Eagles preseason game against the New England Patriots. On the opening kickoff, Eagles running back Jaquindon Jackson was making a tackle on Patriots returner Lon Larison when Larison flipped over, and his knee struck Jackson directly in the head. Jackson immediately went motionless on the field, causing players from both teams and medical staff to rush over. He appeared to show a fencing response, a concerning sign often associated with a serious head injury. Medical personnel stabilized his neck and carefully placed him on a stretcher. An ambulance was then driven directly onto the field at Gillette Stadium to take Jackson to the hospital. But there were encouraging signs. While being treated, Jackson was seen moving his hands and fingers. He also raised his left arm and gave a thumbs up to the crowd and his teammates. The Eagles later confirmed that Jackson had strengthened movement in all of his extremities and was undergoing further evaluation at the hospital. Everyone is now hoping for a full and speedy recovery for Jaquindon Jackson.